Saudara, adik Presiden Obama Maya Sutoro berkunjung selama 4 hari ke Indonesia.
Maya yang bertugas sebagai spesialis pendidikan di lembaga East West Center turut mempromosikan pertukaran pelajar dan mahasiswa antara mahasiswa Indonesia dan juga yang di Amerika Serikat. Dalam kunjungannya kali ini, Maya Sutoro sempat berkunjung ke Pondok Pesantren An-Nur dan SMAN 1 Bekasi.
Para pelajar dan santri pun berkesempatan berdialog bersama dengan Maya Sutoro yang didampingi oleh Kepala East West Center tentang peluang mendapatkan beasiswa untuk belajar ke negeri paman Sam, Amerika Serikat.
Lembaga East West Center menyelenggarakan pertukaran pelajar dan mahasiswa di bidang pendidikan, sains, dan lingkungan, hukum, dan juga jurnalisme. Kedatangannya diharapkan bisa mempromosikan dan menjaring lebih banyak peserta pertukaran pelajar, sekaligus meningkatkan kerjasama di bidang pendidikan antar kedua negara.
Ada bidang jurnalisme.
Ada bidang jurnalisme ya, tapi sayangnya sudah bukan pelajar lagi.
Bukan pelajar lagi.
Ya saudara, terkait dengan kunjungannya ke Indonesia, Liputan 6 SCTV berkesempatan untuk mewawancarai Maya Sutoro, adik Presiden Amerika Serikat Barack Obama.
Ya, dalam wawancara yang berlangsung antara reporter senior SCTV Retno Pinasi dan Maya, ini diantaranya dicuplikan menyatakan keyakinannya bahwa Barack Obama akan kembali terpilih sebagai Presiden Amerika Serikat untuk yang kedua kalinya.
Ya, selain itu Maya juga bernostalgia tentang masa kecilnya di Indonesia, dan berikut ini kita simak petikan wawancara Maya Sutoro dengan rekan kami Retno Pinasti.
US presidential election is coming. How big do you think is the chance of President Obama to be re-elected as the next year's president?
Well, I think that we have to re-elect him. I don't think there's any other good choice. I think that he has accomplished a lot, and part of what we have to do is we have to tell the story, do a better job maybe of naming those accomplishments, and he's worked very hard and he's done a lot, and so I will be going to DC, but also traveling to other parts of the country a bit to try to campaign on his behalf, and I will do what I can, but I think all Americans should work hard, and I think that when there are a lot of problems, right, this is true of every country, economic and otherwise, sometimes people get tired, and so they don't remember the value and the importance of things like contributing to campaigns, and but I think that we definitely have every expectation that people will rise to the occasion and will generate the same energy and passion that got him elected 4 years ago, and so yeah.
Are you actively involved in the campaign?
As much as I can be, yeah. I have a job that I have to return to, so this summer I'll be doing my best, and I hope everyone else does their best as well. But yes, I am going to work hard.
And how prepared do you think President Obama with the campaign and also the upcoming convention?
He's very prepared. He's always ready. And always optimistic. I mean, one thing I have to say about him is that he is very pragmatic, very practical about this process. He works hard, he does what he has to do, and his view is that you put one foot in front of the other, and he's always ready to walk. And I think that he has such a firm understanding of what needs to be done and a vision for the future, and even though he ought to be, if I were in his place, I would be extremely fatigued, with such enormous burdens, but he remains cheerful. He's got a very buoyant spirit. He's always
santai, casual.
And
he's also very active here.
Yeah, so that keeps him fit.
Yeah.
Setiap hari bangun.
Olahraga?
Ya, olahraga. First thing.
Olahraga apa, Presiden Obama?
Kalau pagi itu in the gym, you know, just with the machines and weights and all of that. But he also will play basket and.
Oh, he's still playing
Still
basket?
playing, yeah, absolutely. And he will do, you know, other sports. He in Hawaii, when he visits every year, he goes body surfing and
Oh, wow.
plays golf. But he's always moving, and he loves sports as a means of relaxing, but also staying fit, as you point out, for the big job that he has. Yeah.
And during this visit, this short visit, do you have time to maybe enjoy your favorite food or maybe to visit
Yeah.
some memorable places?
Well, the next time I come, yeah, saya harap bisa jalan ke Menteng Dalam where I used to live, dan ke Bayoran, but also to my itu kuburan bapak saya, dan maybe the schools where my brother and I visited and where we studied. My hope is to go to Jogja next time, a place I love so much. And
Dulu pernah tinggal di Jogja,
Yeah.
berapa lama?
di Jogja 3 tahun.
3 tahun.
Antara umur 7 dan 11, so 3,5 tahun.
3,5 tahun.
Yeah, so it was very important time. Yeah, we lived in Ngasem and tinggal di Taman Sari, Pasar
Taman Sari,
Burung.
okay.
And I had a lot of time spent in the alon-alon and you know, watching the tarian Jawa through the gates of the Kraton, and of course running around the Pasar Burung and playing in the ruins. Badminton was the big thing. Every day I played badminton. But we also would go to, you know, Parangtritis and you know, walk there amid stories of Nyai Loro Kidul, and you know, so
You have so many
it was
memories.
So many memories. It was a very important place for me. It was a rich place. We had a wonderful community, and I spent a lot of time with the arts, especially. And you know how they have wayang performances there until the early hours of the morning. So I remember going in my pajamas and, you know, putting my head in my mother's lap and
For
listening
the
to
whole
the
show?
Yeah, until I
Sampai
fell
pagi?
asleep. Sampai pagi, yeah.
Wow.
Is President Obama asking for some oleh-oleh from Indonesia?
He didn't.
So sate.
Yeah, I know he would love to have bakso and satay. Unfortunately, I don't think it will keep very well because saya mau jalan ke Kuala Lumpur besok, terus ke Singapore. So I won't see him for another. And we're going to, you know, visit parts of Malaysia where my husband's parents were born. So he's a Canadian, but his parents were born in Malaysia, and his grandparents born in China. So you know, so we won't get to Washington for another week and a half. So I think the bakso would not
Last that
not
long.
last that long.
Iya.
Menarik ya, masih lancar berbahasa Indonesia.
Fasih ya
Fasih.
tadi ya, lumayan. Tidak terdengar aksen-aksen bulenya ya,
Iya,
justru
dan
terdengar bahasa Indonesia ya.
Itu bisa bilang tadi multikulturnya
Berasa
berasa
sekali ya.
campuran.